Have you ever heard of process mapping? It's a simple approach to understanding and analyzing processes. A process is a chain of linked events called tasks or steps with a beginning and an end. But why create a process map? Process mapping helps identify how a process works from start to end. It also helps identify wastes and sources of waste in the process. There are two types of process maps: standard process maps and cross-functional maps. Standard process maps show each process step in sequence, while cross-functional maps have the added benefit of showing each handoff between departments. Cross-functional maps are often called swimlanes. After mapping your processes, you and your team will have a common understanding of the work and how it flows. This information helps eliminate waste and improve processes. Process mapping is an elementary tool of operational excellence. If you have an interest in learning more about process mapping, visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us.